Good morning, students. Today we are doing chapter 3. The chapter name is Square and Square Root. Firstly, we know about what is square. When we heard the name square, then a picture is come in our mind. That is this type of square. This type of square. We are going to study. This is our geometrical representation of square. This is our geometrical representation of square. We are saying that all sides are equal. In this square, all sides are equal. This is our square. Square in which all sides are equal. This is geometrical square. We are study there algebraically. What is algebraically square? Algebraically square means simply if we want to find 2 raised to the power 2, that is it called as 2 square. That is means 2 multiply 2, it's 4. If we are saying what is 3 ka square, means 3 raised to the power 2, means 3 multiply 3, it seems 9. If we are saying 6 square, then we will say 6 raised to the power 2, that is 6 multiply 6 is equal to 36. If we are say what is 36 square, then you can say 36 raised to the power 2 means 36 multiply 36. Here also area of square is, you know very well, area of square is side multiply side. Side multiply side. This is square. Now we are going to study about some property of square. Some property. Then what we will do, हमें क्या पता होना चाहिए? Just some natural numbers square. That is 1 का square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, and 10 square is 100. Now we are only study about their unit place. On 1 square, unit place is 1. What is unit place? Firstly, what is unit place? If we write a number, suppose we write a number like 236, then what is their unit place? You can say unit place number is 6. Unit place number is our 6. That is 6. Unit place number is 6. Okay, if we are write a number like 24024, then what is their unit place number is? You can say, sir, this is 4. 4 is the unit place number. Then what new about this? Here we are studying, if we take 1 square, that is 1. 2 square, that is 4. Unit place number is 4. 3 square, unit 9. Unit place number is 9. 4 square 16. Unit place number is 6. 5 square 25. Unit place number is 5. 6 square 36. Unit place number is 36. 7 square 49. Unit place number is 9. 8 square 64. Unit place number is 4. 9 square 81. Unit place number is 1. 10 square 100, that is unit place number is 0. Then a property will come which if at the end, at the unit place of a number, if these number are lie, which number? 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. 0 there, 1 there, 4 there, 5 there, 6 there, 9 there, 4 there. Then if at the end of a number there 236, then we can say this is a perfect square of some number. Maybe this is a perfect square of some number. If a number write suppose 232, then you say their unit place number is 2, then this is not a perfect square. This is not a perfect square. How we will observe that a number is perfect square or not? Just looking at their unit place. Okay, then if we are saying the 289, is that a perfect square or not? Yes, maybe this is a perfect square. Why? Because at their unit place a number 9 be there, and if it at unit place there is a 9, then we can say this number be perfect square of some number or not. If there is number suppose 238, then you sure about that this number is not a perfect square, just looking at the unit place number. This is the property and beauty of squares. Now some more properties of this square. If we can say what comes place at unit place, that 11 square, then just 11 square means he want to ask when we will square of 11, we want to do square of 11, then on unit place number what will become? Just take unit place and square them. 1 का square 1. So at unit place of 11 square there will be 1 occur. How? Just multiply 11 multiply 11. Then you know very well 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 ja 1. That is 1 2 1. So number is 1 2 1. Then unit place number is 1. Just look at the number and we can say at the unit place of this number be there this. How? Listen, if we want to find what is the unit place of 49 square, then you can say at unit place number 9 square is 81. So at 49 square unit place number be 1. Okay, this is the introduction of squares. Then about these squares some more property we will discuss later, okay, according to questions. Okay beta, have a good day, bye.